What is poppin' Dope Nation? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I'm sharing with you guys some knotless box braids on 4C texture. And I wanted to show you guys her hair before I actually ran the blow dryer through it. So her hair needed to be washed, and I didn't want to work on wet hair, so I did go ahead and blow it out. I didn't get it as straight as I probably could have, but that wasn't really my goal because it's not like I was gonna flat iron it. I just wanted it to be manageable. So here I am defining my parts with the Shine and Jam. I use the Magic Fingers, the red one, just because it is a little thicker, so I think it works better on a 4C texture. And I'll be sure to link that along with all of the rest of the products that I use in the description section, so make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. So as far as my technique, I'm really doing it the same way that I would do it on any other texture. The challenge for me was just making sure that her natural hair was blending in with the synthetic hair, and I often give tips on how you can make sure you do that in my channel, whether it's feed-in braids or doing knotless box braids. You just want to make sure that you are using product and kind of combing their natural hair with the synthetic hair to make sure that it blends as best as possible. And you always want to make sure that you're tucking the client's natural hair. So whenever you're doing like when you're adding a color of synthetic hair, I know you guys are familiar with tucking, but realistically you should always be tucking no matter what style you're doing, because it's a protective style, and if your client's hair is exposed, then I'm not saying that it's not being protected, but the goal is like to not have their hair exposed. Sorry, I was trying to figure out a way to word that. Also, I wanted to address something that I had said in my last video that I did on 4C texture, because I feel like I was trying to make a point and I didn't really articulate it the way that I wanted it to be understood. And basically I had made a comment and I said that I don't think you're a true stylist if you can't work on 4C texture. And I do feel like there are really great stylists out there who may not be able to work on 4C or just like every single texture that comes in the door. And I totally understand that. I feel like the best stylists, in my opinion, are very versatile and able to work on many different textures. So I understand that there are very great stylists out there who may not work on 4C, who may not work on textured hair in general, but I do truly feel like the best stylists are capable and able and knowledgeable, you know, and just willing to work on all textures. So yeah, I'm really done talking for this video because yeah, I think everything else I've explained in many of my other knotless box braid tutorials. It just kind of makes me really sad that a lot of 4C girls feel like a lot of styles are not achievable on their texture, and so I'll definitely be styling on 4C more just to show you guys that your natural hair is freaking beautiful, and there are a lot of things that you guys can do if you find a stylist that is capable of working on your texture. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for being active on my community tab. You guys actually voted for this to be my next upload, and so I'm going to be doing that more just to make sure I'm interacting with you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and enjoy this music, and yeah, vibe out.